Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restore deleted field in Wix form. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and this is our form. So we are going to restore deleted field. So click on it and then you see edit form. So again click on it. So we are in Wix form dashboard. Now you see multiple field. Now select. Now you see delete, so click on it. Now you see pop-up delete field. Any previous submission for this field will remain in the submission table. If you enable this option, then you cannot be restored any field. Now you see delete this field submission. This field can't be restored. Uncheck and then click on delete. Now you see field deleted and then we are going to restore it again. Now you see multiple option and then you see deleted field, so click on it. Now you see multiple field we deleted. Now you see product, 3 dot, so click on it. Now you see restore field, so click on it. Now you see field back to form. Now you see field edit back and then click on save and this field will appear in form again on Wix website. So in this way you can restore your deleted field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.